Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the browser and system. First, make sure Chrome is up to date. Outdated builds can disable Webgl. Next, turn on hardware acceleration in Settings System so Chrome can use the GPU. This matters because Webgl renders with GPU power. Also update your graphics drivers. Without current drivers, Webgl may fall back or fail. Once done, restart Chrome to apply changes and move on to enabling Webgl support inside the browser flags and diagnostics. Now you enable the browser-level features. Type Chrome //flags, search for Webgl, Webgl2, 0 and GPU rasterization. Set them to enabled when available. These flags expose newer rendering paths. Relaunch Chrome so those experimental toggles take effect. After restarting, go to Chrome //GPU to inspect status lines. Look for Webgl and Webgl2 listed as hardware accelerated. If they show software rendering, make sure the GPU driver and acceleration settings are correct. Finish by testing and resolving remaining issues. Open a simple Webgl demo to confirm rendering. Inspect the DevTools console for GL errors because those messages tell you why content fails. If Webgl is blocked, temporarily disable extensions. Some block GPU features. As a last resort, run Chrome with the command line flag, ignore GPU blacklist to bypass vendor blocks. Use it only when necessary because it can expose instability. One key troubleshooting tip: check console error strings first. They point to driver or permission problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.